to upload your work. So over here we've got the practice thing for showing your work. So let's look at that. Start, and it says sketch the region enclosed by y equals 6x and y equals 5x squared. Decide whether to integrate with respect to x or y. Now I know what this graph looks like, and I'll need to copy it over here on my paper. It's going to be a line that goes through the origin and then part of a parabola. So it's going to look like that. Now I'm going to graph it on Desmos and use that to figure out where they cross. Sure, I could set the two things equal to each other and solve, but if I put it on here, I can look at it and say immediately they cross at 1.2, or that's also what, 6/5. All right, so my integral for the area is going to be integral from 0 to 1.2 of the lines on top, so it's going to be 6x minus 5x squared. I'm just working this out on paper down here. And so if I integrate that, I get 3x squared minus 5/3 x cubed from 0 to 1.2. So I'm actually showing my work here like this, and I'm going to just plug that into a calculator to get the answer. 3 times 1.2 squared minus 5/3 times 1.2 cubed. And my calculator tells me the answer is 36/25. So I'm going to put that in here. Now this next part is not necessary, but if I were doing this on a test, I've shown my work, but I'm gonna double check it. Integral from 0 to 1.2 of, what was it, 6x minus 5x squared dx gives me 1.44. Is that right? Well, let's see. 36/25, if I convert that to a decimal, sure enough is 1.44. So I'm good to go. I'm going to submit my question. Now I've got to add my work, and the way I'm going to do that is just by taking a picture of my this page, and probably what I would do if this were the actual test is wait till the end to go back and add my work. That way I could take a picture of one page and it would have all the stuff I need on it. Now I'm going to stick that on my computer using I'm going to use AirDrop. You can use whatever is convenient for you. So all right, AirDropped it to my computer. Now I'm going to open it up. Now I could go and crop this down. I don't want you to put the whole image on there. That's too much. And if you had additional problems down here, I wouldn't want that showing up either. So I could crop it down, or a better thing to do might be to take a screenshot of just the bit that I want. And now I can take the screenshot, and to add it, all I have to do is click Add Work. This window pops up. You can type in there if you want to, or you can just drag the image there. And so that's showing the work. I'm going to hit Submit Question, and I could go on to another problem if there were any, but there aren't, so I'm done. So anyway, that's what you need to do in order to submit your work.